Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Raymond. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Success Strategies. Today, we're going to talk about some exciting news that just come down from Forex Shark and his team. That's right, he has been developing a new UI for the Drip network. So stay tuned and let's take a look. I'm sure most of you know by now what has been happening in the Drip network, with everything being on pause right now. It's an unfortunate situation, but Forex and his team are taking care of it. I just want to show you really briefly his statement that he put out in the Telegram regarding what's going on. And I'm not going to read everything in this statement. I'm sure you can go back and take a look if you haven't done so already. But I just highlighted a couple of key points that I wanted to talk about today. The first one is he says that, listen, there's been a couple of botters who have snipped the launch and were attempting to drain the system by using automated scripts, which only sell, and that we don't allow for this. So we temporarily blacklisted them to make some changes. Then he goes on to say, we're going to launch a new piggy bank contract. And in order to do that, he's asking everybody to be patient. He has to put everything on hold, and he's going to hopefully, in the end, this whole system is going to be much stronger for us, and it's going to take care of those handful of botters that tried to drain the system. However, on a brighter note, in true Forex Shark fashion, not only are he and his team taking care of the problem, but they're also giving us a little teaser or something to kind of look for in the near future. And that is a new UI. And I'll read this from another statement that he put out on the Telegram. It says that we have been working on a new Drip UI, which is using the same front end structure as the large investment banks in the world. These institutions invest billions in research to come up with user interfaces that get visitors to use their products, and I believe it's a mistake to not take advantage of their research for our financial products. He says Drip is not just another crypto project, and it deserves a UI that represents this and has a wider appeal to users outside of DeFi. He says with the new UI, we will be launching team competitions, an updated airdropping system, additional functionality to the DEX, and much more. He says Drip has a very bright future, and we are just getting started. I think this is very exciting news for everyone in the Drip Garden. I know personally I am excited about it, and I can't wait to see the new UI and get a chance to move around in it and see how it works. And on that note, I'll show you this quick video that he and his team put out. It's about 30 seconds, but it's going to give you a preview, a little teaser on what the new UI will look like. Hey, before I let you go, I know when situations like this happen, it kind of makes people take a step back and wonder what's going to happen with the network and the investments that you have put into this system. And I can tell you, listen, you're not alone if you're thinking that way. I mean, this right here shows you just a handful of articles that I found on the internet that are basically trying to throw some doubt and some uncertainty in people's minds about the drip network. This article at the top from Cryptoza says that, is drip a scam? They want to know if it's a scam. Stock Telegraph says, hey, the drip network, is it the real deal or another scam? You're going to see kinds of articles like this all over the place. This article, the third one here, says that 1% a day drip drip Ponzi scheme. Again, you've heard all kinds of things: a Ponzi scheme, a scam. This one says, the last one says, is it legit? Is it another network scam? And so you're going to hear stuff like this all the time. And really, it's up to you to make that decision. Most of these are coming from people who are probably not even involved in the network, who probably haven't seen the returns that you and I have seen in just this short amount of time. So please take these articles with a grain of salt. Definitely do your own research, make up your own mind. Don't even take it from me. I'm just a guy on the internet. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional in the DeFi space in any means. I'm just trying to find a good program to get involved in, to where I can invest my money and maybe hopefully one day change my financial future. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a like, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Subscribe to my channel. You know the deal. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to the new interface, and I'll see you on the other side.